Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 4th of July makeup tutorial, and just so that way you guys have a tutorial of like maybe something that you would wear to like a family party or just a regular party or something. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a 4th of July makeup tutorial, and so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching. So first, I keep forgetting to bring primer. So first I'm just going to spray my face with rose water just to kind of prep it. Alright, so the foundation I'm using today is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. If you're wondering where I'm looking, there's a mirror right above the camera. So I'm just taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender and just blending that in. Good thing about this foundation is that it's buildable. So if you need a little extra coverage somewhere, it can do that for you. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start on the eyes, just so that way if there's any fallout, I don't have to restart on my face. So today I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And you probably know which colors I'm going to go for. So bright blue right here, maybe like the deeper red and stuff like that, and then the white. So now that I've kind of primed my lids a little, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Silk Cream. It's kind of a lightish color, just kind of an all over color. Alright, and then I'm going to take the next color over, which is MFEO. And I'm going to kind of focus that in the crease. Alright, and then I'm going to take this shade, which is Pukey, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. Alright, so now I'm going to take this little C brush from E.L.F. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Pooter. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit and just kind of stamp it on the outer corner. Alright, and then I'm going to take that same brush and go in with this shade, which is Central Park. Right? Yeah. Just a little, and just kind of do the same thing. Stamp it in the outer corner. Alright, now for the color part. First I'm going to take the red, which is called... Which red do I want? I think I'm going to do the deeper red. That one is called Jax. So I'm going to take that one first, and I'm going to stick it in the crease. I'm just building up just a little bit because I don't want it to be exploding all over my face. I'm going to take this shade, which is called Hunt, and I'm just going to... So I'm going to use that one because that one's more of an orangey red. And I'm just going to take that very first brush we used with all the transitions and just blend that out. Now that I have it where I want it, I'm going to go in with a packing brush with that blue color. This shade, which is called Twerk. It's a very pretty shade. So I'm going to spritz it just in case. I've never used this shade, so I don't know if it's any good or not. I'm just going to pack it on the lid. Well, I'm living my Kim Kardashian fantasy over here. Alright, so I'm going to take that first brush we used just to kind of, actually not, I'm going to take the second brush we used just to, with the red on it, and just blend in the blue. This is very pretty. See, I'm glad I didn't do my concealer and stuff because I'm going to need to clean up. That blue has a little bit of fallout to it, so that's an easy fix. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, now that that's done, I feel like it's a little dark, so I'm going to add some of the inner corner highlight to it, just because I don't want it to be like crazy dark. So I'm gonna go with this little pointed brush, and I'm gonna go in with the second color called Beam. That's what it looks like. Just to brighten up just a little bit. I'm gonna put this like all in the inner corner. And that adds the white, so you got red, white, blue. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer and stuff. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in Light 10. I'm gonna go ahead, well, let me take away any fallout first. I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer just so I can clean up the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna go back in my beauty blender and blend that in. Now I'm gonna conceal the rest of my face. I'm running out of this, I need to go get more. Now I'm gonna go back in with that inner corner highlight since I covered a little bit of it up. So now I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna use the Covergirl Clean in Creamy Natural, and I'm gonna go with my beauty blender for this, and just kind of put some on there and set my under eye. Pretty much anywhere I put concealer, I'm gonna put this. And then with my brush, I'm just gonna swirl it around and do the rest of my face. Alright, so I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. I'm using the ABH Brow Wiz in dark brown. Alright guys, so I'm just having a weird brow day. Just ignore them. So now that I've set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye. And I'm gonna use the smudgy end of that pointed brush that I used. And I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's called Crayon Apple. And I'm just gonna put it on the like outer edge of my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna go in with that deeper red that I used the first time and just kind of blend it out. And now I'm going to go in with that orangey shade that I used and do the rest. So then I'm going to take the pointy end and I'm just going to smoke that out. Alright, I think I'm done with the eyes now. So I'm going to go ahead and do some mascara. And usually with this look, people would probably wear false lashes. I don't normally wear false lashes, so I'm just going to go in with the Benefit Roller Lash. Alright, so that's my final look with mascara and eyeshadow and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I went ahead and did my bronzer, my highlighter, and my blush and stuff like that. So yeah, this is my final 4th of July look, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys have a safe holiday, and let me know what you guys are doing for the holiday. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.